Good day everyone. I'm Michael. And I'm using a text-to-speech program to have a more clear speech and audio. C# provides the random class to generate random numbers based on the seed value. Here are the built-in methods in random class. The first method, with empty parameters, will return a positive integer with the default range. The second method has one parameter. So this method will return a positive random integer that is less than the value passed to the parameter of the method. The third method will return positive random integers with the specified minimum and maximum range. The first parameter of the method is the minimum value, and the second parameter is the maximum value. The fourth method, which is the next double, returns a random floating point number that is greater or equal to 0 and less than 1. Then the next byte method fills the specified array with random bytes. Here is an example of displaying random numbers using the next method. Random is a class, that's why we need to create a new instance of a random class to create the object. To create a random object, first, we need to call the random class. And choose a name for your object. Then equal to new random. After creating the random object, we can now call its properties. In this example, I call the next method 4 times. Take note that every time we run this code, the output will be different, since it is random. If you want to random a number with a specific maximum value, you can pass an integer value to the next method. In this example, a passive value of 10 to the next method. The output will be from 0 to 9. Now, what if you want to specify the range of the random class will return? In this case, we need to use the method that has 2 parameters, the minimum and maximum. In this example, the next method will return a random number from 10 to 19. Now this code will return a random floating point number between 0.0 to less than 1.0. This is useful if you need to create random numbers that are less than 1. The last method is the next bytes that generate a series of bytes values. The returned values of the method must be passed to an array of byte types. So what is an array? An array is a data structure which can store a fixed size collection of elements of the same data type. An array is used to store a collection of data, but it is often more useful to think of an array as a collection of variables of the same type. I will be discussing the array in detail in a separate video lesson. In this example, we must first declare an array with a byte data type. Then pass it to the next bytes method of the random object. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits of data, and this will able to store a number between 0 to 255. For our self-check, what will be the possible range output of the following code? You can comment your answer down below. That's all for this video lesson. If you have questions, suggestions, something to add, or you think something is missing or incorrect to the lesson, please let me know. Again, this is Michael, thank you and see you at my next video lesson. Keep safe everyone.